Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings in Privacy. Now go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety. Select Audience and Tagging. Now you can go ahead and enable the button that reads Protect Your Posts. Enabling this button makes your account private and the people who you do not approve of cannot see your following list. And that's it. This is how you hide following on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.